Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our video lesson class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and you are staying safe at your home. So, dear students, already we have entered into new academic year. Now, this is time to learn about our syllabus. Already we have completed the bridge course portion, we have conducted the examination, and I would like to congratulate all the students. They have done very well in the examination. So dear students, let's talk about our subject. So our subject is a science. Already you are well familiar with the science concept. In first and second standard you were studying about the environmental studies. Environmental studies means you are learning about the or studying about the environment. So this year this environmental studies is divided into two categories, that is science and the social science. So here what do you mean by science we are going to discuss. So dear students, when we are talking about the importance of science, then science is the study of the nature and behavior of natural things. Natural things, you can take an example as plants, animals, nature, surroundings. So these are the examples of natural things. With this, another, if you want to take a definition related to science, then science is the study of everything, or science is the study of the environment. Okay, science is the study of environment. So dear students, in our surrounding, whatever you can see is there is one concept behind it. Okay, so all this study we are learning in the science concept. So dear students, on the screen you can see our reference textbook, that is purple color. Yes, which book it is? It is a Saffron textbook. It is an integrated semester course, grade 3, that is the third standard, semester 1. So dear students, this is the third standard students we are referring as a Saffron textbook. This is the Cambridge textbook. So what are the benefits why we are referring this textbook? Because this textbook is Cambridge related, and this Cambridge education prepares students for life, helping them develop an informed curiosity and a lasting passion for learning. Yes, so they can decide that which field they have to be carry out, they achieve their future goals. So this Saffron textbooks gives a clarity in the future. So that's why we are referring this textbook. As well as these students determine which courses they want to take and are able to create a schedule of courses that are relevant of their future goals. So they can easily, because this book is containing lots of activity, lots of knowledge, lots of new words. So students can develop their skills in their subjects. So this book helps to enhance the knowledge of the students. So here you have a contents. I have taken this contents from your textbook. So dear students, you can see on the screen that here all the subjects are mentioned: English, mathematics, science, social science, computer science and the general knowledge. So in science concept, totally this semester we have a 7 lesson. That is, first one is living and non-living things, parts of a plant, eating habits of animals, birds or body, keeping safe, housing and clothing. So totally how many chapters are there? Totally 7 chapters are there in science, that is the in Saffron book. So I hope there is no confusion about the contents. So dear students, this all are the contents of science subjects, which is page number from 172 to 229. Okay, so from page number 172 to 229 This is the science subject. Now, before going to next class, I would like to give you some homework, so it would be help you to reach the first lesson. So what are those homework? Let's see. So first question is the what are the examples of living things? In bridge course portion itself, we have discussed the examples of living things. So you have to be answer me that what are the examples of living things. Next question is what are the examples of non-living things? Okay. So this is the second question. Already you are well familiar with the concepts. What are the examples of non-living things? These two questions you have to be answered. So dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the contents, there is no confusion about the homework. So be ready with the new concept. All the best for this academic year, and we will reach our goals to enhance the knowledge and skill, enhance this development in yourself. Okay, so dear students, we will meet soon in school. Have a good day. Bye bye.